morning, everyone. Today is Vlogmas Day 8, December 8th, 2016. It is Thursday, and I was just about to make coffee. So let's do it. It's currently 7:46. I have to leave at 8:30. Let's do this. So I have my cute mug that I got yesterday. So plug this in. Water. Open this. Add the water up to the line. Turn it on. Open it. Get your donut shop, regular, pop that in there, remove this, set this here, and then I need to get some creamer. So I actually got the peppermint mocha coffee mate yesterday, so I'm going to add that and let's make coffee. Hey guys, so I currently just got dressed. I put on the shirt and I did my hair. Today is my last day of actual classes. Next week it's only final exams. So this is my last day to get lectured for like a few weeks. So it's currently snowing, of course, and I just put on the tree, so let's look outside. So this is how it looks outside. It's snowing, you can't really tell, but I'll show you guys the ground. The coffee that I made, I think I may have added too much creamer, but it tastes so good. I didn't add any sugar because the creamer has sugar in it. And it tastes bomb. It's like the cutest mug too. I'm gonna take a cute pic of that, and I will see you guys in a little bit. I'm just gonna be watching vlogs. It's 8:01 and I leave at 8:30. I have to like start getting ready at 8:30. Okay guys, so it's currently day 8. So our little thing right here. What is it? It's a shooting star. Oh Jesus, no! Oh wait, okay, it was already open. Guys, I thought I just opened another door, but it's not. It was just an already open one that I accidentally pushed on a little. Okay, it should be pushed out. It's not. Okay, let's do this a different way. Okay. I don't know why it tips down like that when I have a case on it. There we go. So there we go. It is a shooting star, guys. Look. It is a shooting star. Cool. Called it. There we go. So this is a coat I'm going to be wearing outside. It's a really heavy duty. If you guys know anything about like cold weather and Carhartts, this is basically just like off-brand Carhartt, but it's, I don't know what brand it is. It is called Northwest. Jesus, my game just scared me. And then I also have these boots. So, yeah. Look, this is how much it's snowing, guys. It's not that much, but hey Siri, what's the temperature outside right now?
It's 24 degrees outside.
24, guys! 24! It's 24 degrees out! That it's 24 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's a few degrees colder than, it's 8 degrees colder than freezing. So, and yesterday it was like 34, so it dropped like 10 degrees. It's flurrying pretty cutely right now. Like, oh, see, the thing is though, is you look outside and you're like, that's so cute. And then you go outside and you're like, this is hell. So here's a tree with the flurries. Oh. Hey guys, so I'm in my coat and I have my gloves in my pocket. So let's go. It's gonna be pretty cold out. There we go. Ooh. I'm gonna make sure I locked it out. I did indeed. But I did the litter, so I have that with me. And we just put it in the garage because it's easier. And then your house doesn't smell like cat litter. It's actually nice out. My coat's like really, really warm. And so when I wear it, if it's not cold enough, I actually sweat really bad. And so it's like confusing because either I wear it and I'm warm and I'm okay, like right now, like I'm okay, or I wear it and I'm too warm and I sweat to death and it's not good. So anyway, I'm gonna get a boomerang, maybe go jump in the snow. There's not enough snow to make a snow angel. I'm gonna try, let's do it guys. So there's like this little patch right here I can definitely play in. Guys, I did it! Look at my snow angel! She's gorgeous! Now my butt's wet, but it was worth it. Snow angel complete! I'm gonna take a selfie with it, and then I'm gonna take a boomerang, and let's go! Hey guys, so I am currently sitting in my classroom. I don't have class for an hour, but I was going to edit my vlog from yesterday and get that uploaded, so let's do it. Hey guys, so it is currently 7:05 and I am currently just at the house stopping quick. My grandmother is actually in the hospital right now. So my vlog is probably not going to be going up soon. But she's okay. She was having some issues yesterday. She fell 3 times in the same day. And she was having issues like dizziness and she was just not feeling very well. So she went back into the hospital after she was in the hospital yesterday. So apparently she has a room there. She hasn't called anybody yet, but we're gonna go see her just to make sure everything's okay and say hi. Yeah, so we're gonna go see her and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Let's go. Guys, there's Christmas lights. Hey guys, so I just finished my chemistry homework. You guys gotta see. So there's the grade I got. It was out of 180 questions. So it's all of these chemistry questions, like here and there and all of this, and 180 of these little boxes. And you gotta do like math and statements and stuff. That one was easy. But then you have to do like equations and guys, I got 100%. It's actually a lot. That's actually a lot too. What the heck? Why am I so red? It's so weird. Anyway, it's actually a lot that I got 100% because I am literally, this is the second assignment out of like, I think there's 9. I can see actually. Oh, there were 7 total assignments and I only got 2 100%. total, like out of all of them, and it was pretty crazy. I'm really proud. Oh my god, I'm not red anymore. Why? But I'm really proud. I persevered through it. It closes at 11 tonight, and it is currently 10:41. Went and hung out at the hospital like I showed you guys for a little bit, and now I'm going to start getting my note cards ready so that I can start studying for my finals, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Let's go. Hey guys, so it is currently 11:51, and I just recently got my vlog from yesterday uploaded. Sorry that went up so late. I just didn't get home, and then I was doing homework, so it took a little longer than expected. But I will see you guys tomorrow with a new vlog. I'm going to wake up early and edit this vlog tomorrow morning, and be vlogging again tomorrow for Vlogmas day 9. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs this video up. Click subscribe down below so you guys get notified when I post more Vlogmas videos. We're getting so much closer to Christmas, which is so exciting. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and check out all my social media linked down below, and at the end, if I remember. I've been forgetting. I need to go back through and add those. But I will see you guys tomorrow with a new vlog. Bye guys.